Let's talk about some individual movers here as well, because obviously we see a lot of symptoms of what's going on in the broader economy in these earnings reports. Let's talk Roblox. Here you have sort of this post-pandemic play, right, that we are seeing slowing growth here from kids who were on Roblox more during the pandemic who are just not on it as much. The shares are down 3%. They've been bouncing around a little bit, though, this morning. And the company coming out with bookings that were down 3% to $631 million. You can see that's a little short of estimates. The loss wider than estimates as well. EBITDA for Roblox coming in lower than estimates as well. Daily active users hit a record in the quarter, guys, 54.1 million, but the growth is slowing down.
Right.
And the amount of time spent on the platform is slowing down.
I mean, shares down year to date by about 77% for Roblox. Some of the key statistics that you mentioned there, bookings still decreased 3% over the same comparable quarter last year. $631.2 million is where that came in at. But that increase, again, of the daily active, average daily active users of 54.1 million particularly, that also going to lean into those hours engaged and directly impact that $11.8 billion. That also an increase of 22% year over year.
Yeah, and here's another tech company that does great things. Roblox is pretty cool, but still warning of slowing growth rates. So in April, they put out this guide. They noted how their business performed in April. Bookings down 8% to 10%. In the most recent quarter, down 3%. So you're seeing a worsening of trend there, perhaps as more kids and more folks become mobile. Also, daily active users in April up 23% versus a 28% growth rate in the just completed quarter. So again, another well-known tech company, perhaps tied to the reopening of the world, seeing slowing growth.
And the company's now talking about how they're going to make money, right? They already make money by selling Robux, which is the in-game currency. There is some limited sponsorships and advertising in the games. They're talking about now expanding that, but it's somewhat controversial, right? Because you're talking about this platform that mostly has kids as its customers, as its players, if you will. And so they're talking about having to be sensitive with that advertising, but they are looking for different and more ways to make money.